ACCUPLACER Health Professions Reading Practice. Question 1. Calculate how many practice packets are available after a Allied Health classroom receives 9 boxes with 13 in each box plus 10 loose copies. Option A, 117. Option B, 127. Option C, 32. Option D, 207. The correct answer is option B, 127. Multiplication is needed first because each box contains 13 items, giving 117, and the loose copies are then added for 127. The other choices either add the numbers without grouping, ignore the loose copies, or multiply the wrong quantities together. Question 2. Add the two review portions 3/4 and 1/4 to find the total part of the assignment completed. Option A, 1/2. Option B, 9/8. Option C, 1. Option D, 0. The correct answer is option C, 1. Fractions must be rewritten with a common denominator before adding the numerators, giving 1. The incorrect answers come from adding denominators, subtracting the portions, or changing the denominator without preserving the value. Question 3. A measurement drill uses 0.5 ml per item for 15 items. What decimal amount of ml is used in all? Option A, 15.5. Option B, 8.5. Option C, 0.03. Option D, 7.5. The correct answer is option D, 7.5. The per item amount is repeated 15 times, so multiplication gives 7.5 ml. The other options add unlike quantities, use the wrong item count, divide instead of multiply, or misplace the decimal. Question 4. If a packet of 170 items is reduced by 20%, how many items remain? Option A, 136. Option B, 150. Option C, 34. Option D, 190. The correct answer is option A, 136. A decrease by 20% leaves 80% of the original, so the remaining amount is 136. The other choices subtract the percent as if it were a count, find only the removed part, or increase the amount. Question 5. A review group divides 66 flashcards in a 3:3 ratio between terminology and math. How many terminology cards are assigned? Option A, 60. Option B, 33. Option C, 198. Option D, 11. The correct answer is option B, 33. The total is divided by the sum of ratio parts, then multiplied by the terminology part, giving 33. The distractors choose the other share, subtract ratio parts from the total, or multiply by a ratio number without first finding one part. Question 6. Convert 4.0 kilograms to grams for a quantitative reasoning item. Option A, 400. Option B, 40. Option C, 4,000. Option D, 0. The correct answer is option C, 4,000. Kilograms convert to grams by multiplying by 1,000, producing 4,000 grams. The other choices use an incorrect factor, divide, or add a kilogram rather than converting. Question 7. Determine the solution to 7x4 equals 52 during an algebra warm-up. Option A, 9. Option B, 7. Option C, 56. Option D, 8. The correct answer is option D, 8. Adding 4 to both sides gives 7x equals 56, and dividing by 7 gives x equals 8. The other choices miss the addition step, stop before division, or adjust the solution by 1. Question 8. A learner completes 10 practice items per hour for 6 hours and then finishes 8 more. How many items are completed? Option A, 68. Option B, 24. Option C, 60. Option D, 140. The correct answer is option A, 68. The hourly rate is multiplied by time and the extra items are added afterward, giving 68. The other choices add all quantities, forget the extra work, or multiply by the extra items as if they were hours. Question 9. Identify the median of the data set 12, 16, 14, 20, and 18. Option A, 8. Option B, 16. Option C, 12. Option D, 20. The correct answer is option B, 16. The median is the middle value after ordering the data, so the center score is 16. The incorrect choices use the mean, range, minimum, or maximum instead of the middle value. Question 10. For a single 4-option multiple-choice item with one correct option, what is the chance of guessing correctly for review set 6? Option A, 3/4. Option B, 1/3. Option C, 1/4. Option D, 4. The correct answer is option C, 1/4. One option out of 4 is correct, so the probability of guessing correctly is 1/4. The other choices count the incorrect options, use the wrong denominator, invert the ratio, or double the favorable outcomes. Question 11. A table shows points 3, 9, and 6, 15. What is the slope of the line through them? Option A, 6. Option B, 3. Option C, 0.5. Option D, 2. The correct answer is option D, 2. Slope is change in y divided by change in x, so 15 to 9 / 6 to 3 equals 2. The incorrect options use only one change, invert the ratio, or add 1 to the actual slope. Question 12. A supply box measures 9 by 3 by 3 inches. What is its volume in cubic inches? Option A, 81. Option B, 27. Option C, 30. Option D, 15. The correct answer is option A, 81. Volume of a rectangular prism is length times width times height, so the volume is 81 cubic inches. The incorrect choices find a face area, a perimeter-like sum, or add one dimension after multiplying. Question 13. Select the best central idea of this statement. A placement score is most helpful when it guides the student toward the right course level. For review set 6. Option A. Testing should be avoided whenever possible. Option B. Placement testing supports appropriate course placement. Option C. Only memorization matters in health programs. Option D. Long study sessions always produce the best results. The correct answer is option B. Placement testing supports appropriate course placement. The central idea should summarize the whole statement without adding a new claim or narrowing the focus too much. The other choices either contradict the statement, exaggerate one detail, or introduce an idea that the sentence does not support. Question 14. Infer the most reasonable conclusion from this note. The learner highlighted unfamiliar terms and wrote definitions beside them. For review set 6. Option A. The note proves the student has already mastered every topic. Option B. The note rejects the value of organized review. Option C. Vocabulary development is part of the learner's strategy. Option D. The note focuses only on memorizing answer letters. The correct answer is option C. Vocabulary development is part of the learner's strategy. A reasonable inference must follow from the information given without stretching beyond it. The incorrect options are too absolute, contradict the note, or claim details that are not stated. Question 15. In an academic sentence about health program readiness, what does the word coherent most nearly mean? Option A. Written in medical shorthand. Option B. Based only on numbers. Option C. Unrelated to the topic. Option D. Logically connected and clear. The correct answer is option D. Logically connected and clear. The word coherent is used in academic contexts to mean logically connected and clear. The other choices describe unrelated actions, opposite meanings, or features of writing that do not match the term. Question 16. Why would a writer likely opens with a surprising statistic about missed math questions for review set 6? Option A. To capture attention and introduce the importance of math review. Option B. To distract readers from the main claim. Option C. To remove the need for supporting evidence. Option D. To make the paragraph less organized. The correct answer is option A. To capture attention and introduce the importance of math review. A rhetorical choice should help the writer develop meaning, guide the reader, or support a claim. The incorrect options describe weak writing moves that would reduce clarity or relevance. Question 17. Combine these two ideas most accurately. Clear transitions guide readers, and organized paragraphs help readers follow reasoning. For review set 6. Option A. Only the first idea matters for test preparation. Option B. Readers benefit when transitions and organization work together. Option C. The two ideas contradict each other completely. Option D. Neither idea can be used in academic preparation. The correct answer is option B. Readers benefit when transitions and organization work together. A synthesis should preserve both ideas and show the relationship between them. The incorrect choices ignore one idea, invent a contradiction, or draw an unsupported extreme conclusion. Question 18. Choose the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement for review set 6. Option A. The group of nursing candidates review algebra together. Option B. The group of nursing candidates reviewing algebra together. Option C. The group of nursing candidates reviews algebra together. Option D. The group of nursing candidates are review algebra together. The correct answer is option C. The group of nursing candidates reviews algebra together. The verb must agree with the true subject, not with a nearby prepositional phrase or distracting noun. The incorrect choices use a verb form that does not match the subject or create an incomplete sentence. Question 19. Select the sentence with the clearest punctuation for review set 6. Option A. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Option B. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Option C. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Option D. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. The correct answer is option D. The practice test was difficult, however, the explanations made the errors easier to understand. Correct punctuation shows how ideas are connected and prevents sentence confusion. The incorrect choices omit needed commas, misuse punctuation between clauses, or place punctuation where it interrupts the sentence. Question 20. Pick the sentence that uses standard English correctly for review set 6. Option A. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and me. Option B. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and I. Option C. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and myself. Option D. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and mine. The correct answer is option A. The advisor gave the review packet to Maya and me. Standard usage requires correct pronoun case, verb form, and count word agreement. The incorrect choices use non-standard pronouns, mismatched verbs, or less/fewer incorrectly. Question 21. Choose the best transition for the blank. The learner mastered fractions quickly. Blank, percentages required extra practice. For review set 6. Option A. Therefore. Option B. However. Option C. For instance. Option D. In the same way. The correct answer is option B. However. The transition must match the logical relationship between the ideas, such as contrast, sequence, or cause and effect. The other choices signal relationships that do not fit the sentence. Question 22. Choose the most concise revision of this sentence. There are many students who benefit from reviewing missed questions. For review set 6. Option A. There are reviewing missed questions from many students who benefit. Option B. Many students, who are many, benefit from missed questions reviewing. Option C. Many students benefit from reviewing missed questions. Option D. Reviewing missed questions are benefited by many students. The correct answer is option C. Many students benefit from reviewing missed questions. A concise revision removes unnecessary words while preserving the original meaning. The incorrect choices are awkward, wordy, grammatically flawed, or less clear than the original. Question 23. Using common medical word parts, what does hypotension most likely mean? Option A. High blood pressure. Option B. Rapid heart rate. Option C, excessive thirst. Option D, low blood pressure. The correct answer is option D, low blood pressure. The word parts in hypotension point to low blood pressure. The other choices use different roots, prefixes, or suffix meanings and do not match the term. Question 24. Identify the organ that filters blood to form urine for review set 6. Option A, kidney. Option B, stomach. Option C, the lung. Option D, pancreas. The correct answer is option A, kidney. The kidneys filter blood, regulate fluid balance, and produce urine. The stomach digests food, the lungs exchange gases, and the pancreas produces digestive enzymes and hormones. Question 25. A hypothesis predicts that spaced practice will improve retention. What should the study measure? Option A, the color of the notebook. Option B, retention after practice. Option C, the number of chairs in the room. Option D, the brand of pencil used. The correct answer is option B, retention after practice. The dependent outcome should match the prediction, so retention after practice must be measured. The other choices do not test whether spaced practice affects learning.